Always loved it so much to go to the mountains, and the higher I go up, the more free I feel, because the influence of human thoughts and emotions changes. So I think it's our responsibility to purify every day our emotional and our mental body, to become one with nature again and to feel in harmony with nature, because nature helps us to clear our energy field. And every day we should do this practice and give our thankfulness back to Mother Nature.